Are you looking to up your Instagram game by sharing high-quality stories? In this video, you will learn how to properly upload stories that will look great on your feed. By following these simple steps, you'll be impressing your followers in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to upload stunning stories. So the very first thing that you should do is make sure that you have a fast and reliable internet connection, because if you have a poor connection, it can lead to bad and blurry-looking stories. So if you're using a poor and weak Wi-Fi connection, consider switching to a cellular data connection when uploading your Insta story. If your stories still look bad, then what you want to do next is make sure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. So in order to do that, open up your Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. To the right of Instagram, it will either say, Open, or Update. If it says Open, it means you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. If it says Update, then you need to go ahead and update your Instagram app, because if you are uploading your Insta stories via an outdated app, then the app might lag or glitch and your Insta stories might look bad because of that. Another thing that you can do is completely uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app, and hopefully, that will solve your issue. If you are still facing the issue, then what you can do next is open up the Instagram app and then go over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings. After that, tap on Account, then scroll down a little bit and tap on Cellular Data Use. You want to toggle the data saver off. So, if you have this enabled and are uploading your Instagram story using cellular data, this will drastically reduce the quality by limiting mobile data usage. So make sure to toggle this off if you are uploading your Instagram story using cellular data. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more simple tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.